Problem number 4, accountancy 1 English medium, first year. Okay, come to the problem number 4. What is the information given? From the following trial balances, Messrs. Manoj and Sons traders prepare trading account and P&L account balance sheet for the year ended 31st/3/2018. This is the problem. So already we are discussed about trial balance, debit balances. It should be recorded either trading account debit side, P&L account debit side. Rest of the transaction should be recorded in and asset side. In the same manner, trial balance, credit balances, it recorded either trading account credit side, P&L account credit side, or balance sheet of the liabilities. This is the pro forma you have to prepare. This is the guidelines you have to prepare. And when you are preparing the final accounts. Next, come to the one by one debit side of the trial balances. First, what are the aspects are recorded on the debit side and trading account, P&L account debit side or asset side? We will explain one by one. Purchases, trading account debit side. Salaries, P&L account debit side. Wages, trading account debit side. Building, asset side. Carriage on purchases, trading account debit side. Gas, coal, water, trading account debit side. Office expenses, trading account, P&L account debit side. Commission, P&L account debit side. Debtors, asset side. Opening stock, trading account debit side. Machinery, asset side. Insurance, P&L account debit side. Bank balance, asset side. Bills receivable, asset side. Cash, asset side. Furniture, asset side. This is about debit balances. Credit balances, sales, trading account credit side. Creditors, liability, capital, liability. Interest received, P&L account debit side. Bills payable, liability side. Bank overdraft, liability side. Outstanding rent, liability side. This is, and remember one thing. So next, adjustments are closing stock, it is trading account credit side, asset side. Outstanding salaries, added to salaries in P&L account, liability side. Prepaid insurance, it is deduct from the P&L account debit side from insurance, as well as record on asset side. Depreciation, create 5% provision for bad debts, it is debit side P&L account, deduct from the debtors in balance sheet, asset side. Outstanding wages, added to wages and shown in liability side, balance sheet. This is about and overall problem. Come to the trading account. So trading account start debit side. When you are preparing the trading account debit side, and we must observe on the trial balance debit side only. So on trial balance debit side, which aspects is related to trading account? First, identify and write down one by one. So here opening stock is given trading account, and opening stock is given trial balance debit side, it record on debit side. Purchase on debit side, and wages debit side, so you have to record debit side. Carriage on debit side given in trial balance debit side. Coal and water given in the trial balance, it must be record and debit side in trial balance. So outstanding wages are given in the adjustment, it must be added to wages. This is about trading account debit side. Next, come to the trading account credit side. In trading account credit side, only two aspects. One is sales. If any sales returns is there, it must be deducted. And another one is closing stock. Sales is given on credit side of the trial balance. So sales 52,000 given in trial balance. Closing stock is given in adjustment. It is also credit side of the trading account. First of all, what are the aspects is related to trading account? It is recorded on the debit side as well as credit side. And first, which side is the highest amount? That side you have to total them or add them. So this side is total 52,000 plus 9,000, 61,000. So 61,000 is credit total, debit total is 35,600 is debit total. So in trading account, debit side expenses losses will be recorded and the credit side incomes and profits are credit side. So and the incomes is more than the expenses, it is profit. So gross profit is 25,400 rupees record here only. It is nothing but 61,000, 35,600, 25,400 rupees gross profit, it is record here only. Next, come to the P&L account debit side. So we must observe trial balance debit side only and see one by one. Salaries trading account debit side, this is one. Adjustment salaries, outstanding salaries is given in adjustment, it must be added. Office expenses is also given in the and trial balance debit side, this is record. Commission is given in the trial balance debit side, commission. Provision for bad debts is given in adjustment, it must be 5% on debtors, 25,000 at the rate of 5%, 1250 rupees record here only. It is adjustment transaction. Depreciation is given is also adjustment and depreciation furniture is also given in adjustment and insurance is given in trial balance. Prepaid insurance given in adjustment, 100 rupees deducted, 300 rupees is record here only. Next, gross profit record here and interest received, it is given in trial balance credit side. So when you are preparing the P&L account credit side, we must observe on credit side of the trial balance. This is remember one thing. So first of all, and total them on credit side 27,400. This is the credit side of the total. Debit side of the total is 9,250 rupees. The difference is and 18,150 rupees. So incomes is more than the expenses. We get profit. It is called net profit. Net profit must be recorded this side. To net profit 18,150 rupees. This is about P&L account. Come to the trial balance debit side. Why? Because when we are preparing the asset side, when we are and record the assets related aspects, we must observe on trial balance of the credit side, debit side, trial balance debit side. So cash, this is the cash is given, bills receivable 2,000 rupees and bank balance is 4,000 rupees. Debtors is 25,000 rupees and provision for bad debt is given adjustment 1250 rupees deducted from the and debtors 23,750. Closing stock is also given in adjustment 9,000 rupees, it is taken. Furniture is given trial balance debit side 5,000 rupees, adjustment is 200 rupees 4,800. Machinery is given also at trial balance debit side 12,000 rupees minus depreciation adjustment 600 rupees 11,400. Building is also given in the trial balance debit side 24,000 rupees. Prepaid expenses it is given in adjustment, it is taken into the asset side. This is the assets. And come to the liability side. So when recording the liabilities, we must observe the trial balance credit side. What are the aspects regarding trial balance? What are the aspects in P&L account? Rest of the transactions is related to liabilities. Bills payable, it is given trial balance. Creditors given in trial balance. Bank overdraft is given in trial balance credit side. Wages is given adjustment. Salary is given in adjustment. Rent is given in adjustment. So capital is given in trial balance credit side. Add net profit 18,150 rupees. Total 48,150 rupees. Okay. Record and every transactions related to trading account in trading account, P&L account is P&L account, balance sheet is balance sheet items. And finally we are and cross check and what is given in adjustment, it should be record twice or not, whatever it may be. It is record twice, then only finally tally assets with the and liabilities. So, and come to the adjustment, closing stock record here only, the same record here only, closing stock. Next, outstanding salaries record here only, the same outstanding salaries record here only. Next, prepaid insurance record here only, prepaid insurance, the same amount and record here only. Next, provision for bad debts record here only, 1250 rupees, and deduct from the and sundry debtors. Next, depreciation 200 rupees, furniture 600 rupees, machinery. So it must be deduct from the respective assets. Furniture from 200 rupees, machinery from 600 rupees. Next, outstanding wages 1200 rupees, record here only, and outstanding wages record here only. Only outstanding rent is given in trial balance. So outstanding rent is given in trial balance, it is record only once in trial balance and aspect in liability side. So total them 80,350, 80,350. This is way prepare final accounts.